Cryptocurrency 101. What is it and what can you do with it? Cryptocurrency has taken the digital world by storm, revolutionizing the way we think about money and transactions. In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Blockchain technology plays a crucial role in cryptocurrency transactions by serving as a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures transparency, security, and immutability, making it nearly impossible to alter transaction records. The significance of cryptocurrency lies in its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, offering benefits such as lower transaction fees, faster cross-border transactions, increased financial privacy, and accessibility to the unbanked population. However, it's essential to understand the risks associated with using cryptocurrencies, including price volatility, regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and potential for fraudulent activities. As you delve into the world of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to educate yourself on the basics, stay informed about market trends, and exercise caution when investing or using cryptocurrencies for transactions. Stay tuned to learn more about the exciting opportunities and challenges in the world of cryptocurrency. History of cryptocurrency. Explore the origins and evolution of cryptocurrencies. The history of cryptocurrency traces back to 2009 when an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoin's creation marked a significant milestone in the world of finance, offering a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that operates without the need for intermediaries like banks or governments. Following the success of Bitcoin, alternative cryptocurrencies began to emerge, each with its unique features and use cases. Ethereum, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, introduced smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, to the blockchain, revolutionizing the way developers build and deploy applications on the network. Litecoin, created by Charlie Lee in 2011, aimed to improve upon Bitcoin's shortcomings by offering faster transaction speeds and lower fees. These alternative cryptocurrencies, along with a myriad of others, have contributed to the diversification and growth of the cryptocurrency market. Key milestones and events, such as the Mt. Gox exchange hack in 2014 and the rise of initial coin offerings, ICOs, in 2017, have shaped the cryptocurrency landscape, influencing market trends, regulations, and investor sentiment. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues to evolve, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to the dynamic nature of this innovative technology. Types of cryptocurrencies, exploring the variety and the market. In the vast landscape of cryptocurrencies, several types exist, each with its unique characteristics and purposes. Let's differentiate between some popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Bitcoin, the pioneer cryptocurrency, serves as a digital store of value and medium of exchange, with a capped supply of 21 million coins. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a decentralized platform that enables developers to build smart contracts and DApps, utilizing its native cryptocurrency, Ether, for transactions within the network. Ripple, known for its XRP token, focuses on facilitating fast and low-cost cross-border payments for financial institutions. Each type of cryptocurrency serves a specific purpose in the digital economy, offering unique features that cater to different use cases. While Bitcoin emphasizes decentralization and security, Ethereum prioritizes programmability and scalability, and Ripple targets efficiency in global payments. In addition to these traditional cryptocurrencies, stablecoins have gained popularity for their pegged value to fiat currencies like the US dollar, providing stability in a volatile market. These stablecoins play a crucial role in facilitating transactions and serving as a hedge against price fluctuations in the crypto market. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, new types of cryptocurrencies and innovative projects emerge, offering diverse opportunities for investors, developers, and users alike. Stay tuned to discover the latest trends and developments in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Uses of cryptocurrency. Exploring the practical applications beyond investment. Cryptocurrencies offer a wide range of applications beyond just investment, revolutionizing the way we conduct transactions and interact with financial services. Let's delve into some of the key uses of cryptocurrencies in various sectors. Cryptocurrencies can be used for online purchases and transactions, providing a secure and efficient payment method for e-commerce platforms, digital services, and even physical goods. With lower transaction fees and faster processing times compared to traditional payment methods, cryptocurrencies offer a convenient and borderless way to make purchases globally. In the realm of decentralized finance, DeFi, cryptocurrencies play a pivotal role in enabling peer-to-peer lending, borrowing, and trading without the need for intermediaries like banks. Smart contracts, powered by blockchain technology, automate and enforce the terms of financial agreements, enhancing transparency and reducing counterparty risks in DeFi applications. Cryptocurrencies also hold great potential in remittances and cross-border payments, offering a cost-effective and speedy alternative to traditional remittance services. By leveraging blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies enable near-instantaneous transfers across borders, bypassing the delays and high fees associated with traditional banking systems. As the adoption of cryptocurrencies continues to grow, their practical applications in various industries will expand, unlocking new possibilities for innovation and financial inclusion. Stay tuned to discover the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency use cases and their impact on the global economy. Cryptocurrency wallets, safely storing your digital assets. Cryptocurrency wallets play a crucial role in securely storing and managing your digital assets. Understanding the different types of wallets and best practices for securing them is essential to safeguarding your cryptocurrencies. Let's explore the importance of cryptocurrency wallets and how to protect your investments. There are various types of wallets available, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets, such as Ledger and Trezor, are physical devices that store your private keys offline, providing an extra layer of security against online threats. Software wallets, like mobile or desktop applications, offer convenience and accessibility for managing your cryptocurrencies. Paper wallets, on the other hand, involve printing your private keys on paper for offline storage. When choosing a wallet, it's crucial to opt for a reliable and secure option that meets your needs. Look for wallets with strong encryption, multi-factor authentication, and a reputable track record in the industry. To secure your wallet, practice good password hygiene, enable two-factor authentication, and store your private keys in a safe and confidential manner. Avoid sharing sensitive information and be cautious of phishing attempts or malware that could compromise your wallet's security. By following these best practices and staying vigilant, you can protect your digital assets and enjoy peace of mind knowing your cryptocurrencies are safe and secure in your wallet. Risks and challenges. Navigating the complexities of using cryptocurrencies. Using cryptocurrencies comes with its fair share of risks and challenges that users must be aware of to protect their investments and navigate the volatile market effectively. Let's delve into some of the key risks associated with cryptocurrencies and strategies for mitigating them. One of the most prominent risks in the cryptocurrency space is the volatility of prices and market fluctuations. Cryptocurrency prices can experience significant swings within short periods, leading to potential gains or losses for investors. Understanding market trends and conducting thorough research can help mitigate the impact of price volatility on your investments. Security risks pose another significant challenge in the crypto space, with threats such as hacking, phishing, and scams targeting unsuspecting users. Hackers may exploit vulnerabilities in exchanges or wallets to steal funds, while phishing attacks aim to deceive users into revealing sensitive information. Staying vigilant, using secure wallets, and implementing strong security measures can help protect your assets from malicious actors. To manage risks effectively, diversify your investment portfolio, set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and stay informed about security best practices in the cryptocurrency industry. By adopting a proactive approach to risk management and implementing robust security measures, you can safeguard your investments and navigate the challenges of the crypto landscape with confidence. Regulation and future outlook. Navigating the evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies remains a complex and evolving terrain, with governments and financial institutions grappling with challenges and opportunities in this burgeoning industry. Let's delve into the regulatory challenges, emerging trends, and future outlook for cryptocurrencies. Governments and financial institutions worldwide face regulatory challenges in effectively overseeing the use of cryptocurrencies due to their decentralized nature and potential for illicit activities such as money laundering and tax evasion. Striking a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring consumer protection poses a significant dilemma for regulators seeking to harness the benefits of cryptocurrencies while mitigating risks. The rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, presents a potential game-changer in the crypto market, with central banks exploring the issuance of digital currencies backed by fiat reserves. CBDCs could enhance financial inclusion, streamline cross-border payments, and provide a regulated alternative to private cryptocurrencies. Looking ahead, the future adoption and mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies appear promising, driven by growing interest from institutional investors, technological advancements, and shifting consumer preferences. As cryptocurrencies continue to integrate into traditional financial systems and gain wider acceptance, the industry is poised for further growth and innovation. By staying informed about regulatory developments, technological advancements, and market trends, stakeholders can navigate the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrencies and position themselves for success in this transformative industry. Embrace the world of cryptocurrencies and take charge of your financial future. Cryptocurrencies offer a gateway to a new financial frontier, providing opportunities for innovation, financial inclusion, and decentralized transactions. To dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies, we encourage you to continue your research, stay informed about market trends, and explore the myriad of possibilities that this innovative technology offers. Education is key to navigating the complexities of the crypto landscape and making informed decisions about your investments. We invite you to engage with our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video to support our content and stay updated on the latest insights and trends in the world of cryptocurrencies. Together, let's embrace the future of finance and seize the opportunities that cryptocurrencies present for a more inclusive and decentralized financial ecosystem. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.